They pay 20 cents for free and you may do it as often as you like. All you have to do is copy this URL, paste it here, and hit submit to gain $1 and do it every 10 seconds. Although it won't make you wealthy, you can utilize it to supplement your income. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. The first step is to visit this webpage. I'll tell you what this website's name is in a second. You can see that this is a PLR website with more than 12,590 PR products that you can resell and keep 100% of the proceeds from. Everything is available to you, including ebooks, online video courses, articles, etc. You won't be selling anything, so don't worry. Another option on this website would continuously give you 20 cents for nothing. In a minute, I'll show you how to make $1 every 10 seconds. What exactly does PLR mean? Private Label Rights, or PLR, refers to the fact that individuals who register for this website for free have the unrestricted right to download such courses and ebooks for free, as well as to resell, alter, and share them for free. They are completely free to use these things whatever they like. You don't have to provide such things because you're not interested in them, even if it's great that these products have a range of licenses accessible. The address of this website is idplr.com. By selecting the Register for Free button, I want you to start by creating a free account on this website. This will direct you to another page where you may decide whether to sign up as a free member without paying any money. To do so, go here where it says Register for Free. Simply click on this link or this link to confirm your email address, since it will send you an email asking you to do so. You can create an account on this page by supplying a few bits of basic information. You will then need to enter your email address, check the I am not a robot box, and click Next. The next step is to log into your account. After signing into your account, you will see a dashboard similar to this. Scroll down to the bottom of this page and click Affiliates. You won't be obliged to make a purchase, and neither will your recommendations, so don't be concerned. As opposed to doing that, you will be giving something away. As you can see, the statements make money by promoting our free membership access, and you can earn 20 cents each time someone registers up for a free account using your referral link are both clearly displayed. There is no catch. You can earn up 20 cents for each free members you recommend. You will still be compensated 20 cents for each sign up, even if they choose not to make any purchases. I'll even show you how to set everything on autopilot if you listed to the end. Pure passive income allows you to earn $1 every 10 seconds and takes no labor on your side. You will get 20 cents as soon as they sign up, but after that, your commissions will keep coming in. Some of them would even offer you a 35% commission if you help them upgrade to a gold membership. But let's focus on this free sign up because it will make it easier to earn $1 every 10 seconds in passive income. You are invited to come over and hear and read about if you would like. Getting your affiliate link is the third step, and there are two ways to achieve it. You could decide to get your affiliate link from ClickBank. They also provide a backup options if ClickBank is not available in your nation. Anyone with access to the internet can get an affiliate link for this affiliate program. Visit clickbank.com to see if ClickBank is available in your nation. You may sign up for free right here by just clicking Start Here button. Clicking Skip this quick start guide will take you to this page where you may create an account for free by selecting your country and providing your first and last name, phone number, email address, and password. If you don't want to follow this tutorial, just do so. If you'd prefer, you can enter your ClickBank, log in this field instead of copying your affiliate link from this location. You will receive a special affiliate link when you click Create. However, if ClickBank is inaccessible in your area or if you are unable to register with it, all you need to do is scroll down a little bit and you'll see this right here, Unable to utilize ClickBank. Click here to open a support ticket. Call them at this number or send them an email to reach them. If your nation is not listed on ClickBank or you're not able to utilize ClickBank or some other reasons, please contact us. They ask. They can still provide you your unique affiliate link if you let them know that you can't join the ClickBank affiliate network. Fourth, after getting your affiliate link straight from ClickBank or IDPLR, go to bit.ly.com to shorten it. Simply put your lengthy affiliate link into this field and select Shorten from this menu that appears. Although the link is still the same and will still take the user to the same website, the likelihood that they will click on it has increased because it now appears clear and attractive. In step 5, you can share your Shorten affiliate link using 2 cost-free methods and 1 premium one to earn $1 in 20 seconds. As the first free options, head over to YouTube and start posting some videos in any niche. You are not obliged to create such videos by yourself, so don't worry. You can re-upload other people's videos on YouTube if you simply conduct a keyword search and filter your results according to Creative Commons. The videos that appears in the search results are all appropriate. To utilize this movie, for instance, open it, navigate to the share area, click the share button, and then copy the URL. From here, type YTMP4 into Google. Select one of these websites from the list of results, open it, and enter the URL of the video there to download it to your device. Next, select Download. Then, since idplr.com has so many different categories, all of which have free products, which is fantastic, you can re-upload that YouTube video to your YouTube channel with your affiliate link at the top of the description, directing viewers there to sign up for free and download different courses, ebooks related to the topic, etc. People are more likely to take action and sign up for the free courses after seeing these types of films because they don't have to spend anything to watch them. Re-uploading those videos to YouTube will earn you $1 in only 10 seconds. And over the following few months or years, YouTube will continue to earn you 20 cents in pure passive income. These videos will swiftly receive thousands, perhaps even millions of views. You have a second paid option at shoutcard.com. Although it is more expensive, doing it this way is considerably simpler and probably leads to better results. You can purchase social media mentions from well-known users in a certain fields on this website. A shout-out on a page with more than 100,000 followers only costs $20. 100,000 people will view your affiliate link for just $20. The nicest part is that you're giving them free goods rather than attempting to sell them anything, so you'll probably get a ton of signups. You will still receive your money back and make some money even if only 200 out of 100,000 people sign up. Even 1,000 registrations will cost more than $200 and so on. Then you may use that money to buy more shoutouts from different pages and repeat the process indefinitely. It practically takes less than 10 minutes to place your orders here, and it snowballs from there. After that, you can unwind and enjoy your passive income. The last method for promoting an affiliate link for free is to simply sign up for various Facebook groups. It's very easy, and by joining different Facebook groups, you may find millions of people who are interested in the items you're giving out for free while earning thousands of dollars each month. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video and I'll see you there.